Want to make your sticky notes easier to organize? Changing note colors is a simple way to separate work, personal reminders, shopping lists, and other important tasks. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change sticky note colors in Windows. Start by opening Sticky Notes from the Start menu, or by selecting one of your existing notes on the desktop. If your notes aren't open yet, launch the app and choose the note whose color you'd like to change. With the note open, look for the three-dot menu near the top of the note. Select it to open additional options. Depending on your version of Sticky Notes, this menu includes color choices and other note settings. Select the color you want to use for your note. So as soon as you choose one, the note changes instantly. You can repeat the same process for every note to create your own color-coded organization system. Many people use different colors for different categories. Yeah, you could use yellow for daily reminders, blue for work tasks, green for personal projects, and pink for shopping lists. Pick a system that makes sense for you. You aren't locked into one color. Whenever your priorities change, simply open the note menu again and select a different color. Your note content stays exactly the same while only the appearance changes, and that's how to change sticky note colors in Windows. I mean, it's a quick feature that can make your notes much easier to organize and find at a glance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows guides, and thanks for watching.